How to make an espresso like a pro. 1. Grind your coffee beans. Buy a quality whole bean coffee and grind it in a coffee grinder on an espresso, very fine, setting. Aim for a consistency close to that of table salt. Avoid buying pre-ground coffee or coffee beans that have been ground too far in advance of using them. 2. Add the ground coffee to your portafilter. Pour your ground coffee into the portafilter, the handled tool with a basket for holding grounds that came with your machine. A single shot is typically made with 1 ounce, 2 tablespoons, of grounds. This is the quantity in a short or tall size Starbucks beverage, unless you ask for more. 3. Tamp down your grounds. Tap your grounds down gently with a finger, then apply an even downward pressure to the grounds with a tamper that you have for your machine. The tamper should be at least 30 pounds and fit the basket snugly. This step compacts the grounds so that water can't get through easily, forcing it to interact with the coffee. 4. Place the portafilter in your machine and add water. Add cold, filtered water to the water reservoir of your machine and lock the portafilter into the group head of the machine. Put a cap under the spout where the extracted coffee will pour out. Depending on your machine, you may be able to make other adjustments, like water temperature. Ideal temperature for extracting espresso is 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a small cup meant for espresso, called a Demeter's cup, under the machine if you want to enjoy espresso on its own, or a larger cup or mug of your desired size if you plan to make additions for another beverage that uses espresso. 5. Start the extraction process. Set your machine to begin brewing, which will vary based on your machine. No matter the amount of grounds you used, the process should take about 20 to 30 seconds to complete. If you use a clear cup or shot glass, you can observe the different parts of a successful espresso: creamer, the top layer that is light in color and foamy body, the middle layer of dark brown and hard, the bottom layer that is darker brown or black.